guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix your connection was interrupted error network change. As you can see guys, okay, so I am facing this error in my Google Chrome browser in my Android phone. So now let's see how to fix this problem. So when you are facing this type of problem error, so first you need to check your internet connection, whether you are connected with your mobile data or if you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. So just you need to check your connection. To check this guys, close the browser and open other app like YouTube and check how your internet was performing. So the internet is working perfectly fine on other app, only you are facing problem in the browser. So at that time guys, you can try the next method. Okay, now first you need to check your phone date and time setting. Okay, after checking these guys, open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to connection. In the connection, go to more connection setting and open the private DNS server. If the private DNS server is off, you need to set it automatically. Okay, if already it was set to automatic, you need to turn it off. Okay, and then save these settings. After doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, open your web browser. Now it will fix your problem. As you can see guys, now my web browser is perfectly working fine. So still in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Open the Play Store on your phone. Okay, and in the Play Store, you need to search the Google Chrome browser. So if the app update is available, just go ahead, update your app. After updating, open the app, it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Tap and hold on your Google Chrome browser and open the app info like this. Scroll down and open the storage. Okay, just tap on clear cache and tap on manage storage and tap on clear data and tap on OK. That's it. Now go back, open the battery option, and here you need to select this option optimize. Okay, and then forcefully stop this app like this. Okay, and after this, restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the app, it will work very perfectly fine. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method solution to fix the connection error on Google Chrome browser. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.